Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's everybody's favorite math teacher, Mr. Wolders, and trying to make sense here of some strategies for multiplying by 4. Here we have one group of 4, we have another group of 4, and we have another group of 4, and this is just a simple problem to sort of get the point across here. That anytime we multiply by 4, because 4 factored is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, or two groups of 2, we can understand that another way to say multiplying by 2 is to double something. So a good strategy for the 4s is to say that multiplying by 4 is like double. So in this problem, or this math story I have here, I've got a doubled group of 4 added to another group of 4. So another way of saying 4 times 4, or 4 groups of 4, is to say that that is equivalent to 2 groups of 4 added to another group of 4. Double 4 plus double 4. So a good way to think about that then is, well, that means that that should be equal to 8 plus 8, and that is equivalent to 16. So double 4 is 8, double 4 again is 16. Let's do it with another one. Let's use 125 as another example. And I'm going to multiply 125. Let's even make it a little bit more complicated. Let's say that I've got $1.25, and something's going to cost me $1.25, and I got to buy 4 of them. So very quickly, what's that going to cost me? Well, I can just do double 25 is $2.50 plus another doubled 125, which is $2.50, which is equal to $5 even. And if we were to sort of write this out long ways, well, we could say, well, that's 2 multiplied by $1.25 added to double 125, and very quickly we can see that that's $5 in my units. And so there's the 4. Multiplying by 4 is going to be really, really easy if we consider that it is just double. If I have 4 times 129, I would figure out very quickly that, well, double 100 is 200, double 20 is 40, double 9 is 18, 18 plus 40 plus 200 is 258. Let's make a little bit more room here for ourselves in a way that doesn't mess up what we've already written. Let's use a different color. So I've said that double 129 is 258. Now I want to double that again because I want 4 times 129, or 4 groups of 129. So 258 doubled, well, 200 doubled is 400. 50 doubled is 100. 200 plus 100 is 300. 8 double is 16. So we are going to have 500. Sorry. Back up a step. Let's write this a little bit clearer. 519. Good. Double. Alright, now when we're thinking about the 3's, or multiplying by 3, a good way to think about the 3's is that the 3's are double plus 1. It's often really easy for us to double a number and then just to skip count by that same number up just one group. So in this simple example we have here, where we have 3 groups of 4, we could think about this, well, this is double 4 plus 1 extra group of 4. So in this case it's 8, skip counting up by 1 4 to 4 equals 12. So we could say that 3 groups of 4 is obviously equal to 12. So again, the strategy here is multiplying by 3 is double plus 1. Let's try another one. Let's try 3 multiplied by 7. How can we do that one? Well, that's equal to 7 doubled plus one group of 7. So that would give us 14 plus a group of 7 is equal to 21. Double plus 1. Let's do it with a tougher question. Let's take 250, 3 groups of 250. What's that going to give us? Well, I know that 250 doubled is 500, and I want to add one more group of 250 to that. Need my eraser. That's just not very neat. Let's get rid of that. So that's going to give me 750. So a good way of thinking about the threes, no matter what it is that you're multiplying, is 3 times anything is that number doubled plus 1. So there's a great strategy for multiplying by the threes.